Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a few seconds like this. And after that, you will enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, bootloader locks, barcodes, and that's it. If you want to exit this mode, you can select an option start and just restart your device, or you can select power off and just turn it off. Let's just restart our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.